On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don tok say Edo State don record Ogbonge achievement on top their fight to comot human trafficking matter for the state. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say Edo State government don record Ogbonge achievement for the fight wey dem dey do to comot human trafficking katakata, as e be say dem don create better opportunity for the youth dem to take get work, ogbonge training for every sector wey dey the state, and dem dey make sure say dem dey continue this one. E tok say dem dey celebrate World Day Against Trafficking and Persons for Benin City for Edo for July 30, the one wey United Nations and other agencies wey dey fight this katakata dey do. Obaseki con thank international development organizations and non-governmental organizations, the one wey dey call NGO, wey dey work with Edo State government to stop human trafficking. E tok say dem dey mark World Day Against Trafficking and Persons for Edo, and dem dey use this kind of opportunity to take give salute to people wey dey join government to work to see say human trafficking no dey Edo State again. And this one don make the state record ogbonge achievement, and dem no go relax. Work dey ground as Edo State government don put better structure and policy to take check all the activities wey all the human traffickers dey do. Na the people wey dey carry these people waka comot, and state government dey try see say Edo dey well for youths to fit help develop the state. And all this one clear as person fit see the work, the one wey dey shele for Edo Innovation Hub and Edo Production Center, where youths for dey work and then dey make business dey waka well for the state. Governor Obaseki explain this one give them. We can see governor talk say campaigns to dey shele as programs don dey to tell parents for Edo State make dem start to dey push their children dey go obodo through way wey no clear, and e say e dey very dangerous. And this one come waka with this year team wey dem take celebrate World Day Against Trafficking and Persons, the one wey they call your government to action, and say e make sense as e be say e go make government dem put eye well for human trafficking matter, and Edo State don start am with better law to take fight am. United Nations sef explain why say human trafficking na big offense, and this one dey spoil woman life, children and even men dem, as dem dey use dem for bad work or even wetin oyinbo dey call labor, and they sleep with them anyhow. And many countries don dey join to fight this matter, as this one e don dey help clear am. United Nations talk say since 2003 na im the office wey dey in charge of drugs and crime, UNOC, don collect information on top about 225,000 people wey trafficking don affect. And many countries don dey join to fight this matter, as this one e dey help clear the human trafficking katakata. Still on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo today, also the katakata wey dey shele for Edo State House of Assembly, na im make Benin Chamber of Commerce don follow politicians talk say make dem no spoil business matter for the state. Benin Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture Bensima don say the katakata wey dey shele for Edo State House of Assembly e go affect the peace and the business wey dey happen for the state. Bensima Presido Evangelist Ateka Odenwinge, e tok say the organized body and the voice of business people for Edo don come together for the meeting wey dem do to take check how this matter go take affect business and the life of people wey dey the state. And dem don see Edo State dem no go fit shele if peace no dey between our leaders dem and the state people. Odenwinge talk say dem for Benzema no happy with this political katakata wey dey shele for the state, as this one go fit kill business matter, and dem dey beg politicians, stakeholders and leaders of parties dem make dem find solution to this wahala, as this one e dey affect business for the state, and dem want make business make grow well for Edo State. She con still salute Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Apolopolo Obaiware the second Oba of Benin on top the work wey dey do to see say peace dey the state, and e dey try settle the katakata wey dey shele. She con beg Omonoba say make e no rest for the matter, make e continue so that all this matter e go clear comot for ground. Now here we see the better information reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Obaseki don talk say Edo State don record ogbonge achievement on top their fight to stop human trafficking katakata. And now on top all this one wey dey happen for inside Edo, na im make Bensima con still call on top politicians dem say make dem try stop the wahala wey dey shele for Edo State House of Assembly, make business for tanda gidigba for Edo State. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba put for una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo today. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge informate, make una like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook to like and follow our page for T Live Media. And also we still get our website where una fit dey get ogbonge update as e dey hot for www.tlivemedia.com.